Okay, let's talk about software architecture diagrams using Minecraft. This here, from bird's eye view that you see in front of you, is an architecture of a system that kept two APIs synchronized through their data layers by using message buses, queues, and direct API calls to accomplish this. There is a section from here. This is the legacy wall made out of wood. This would utilize a queue, and then SNS, and then SQS, both of those Amazon technologies. And here in the center, you see this is our new set of APIs in yellow. The yellow room is the SQS daemon, which would read all the messages. The green portion of this is the actual API functionality itself. The SQS daemon would then send each message that's received from legacy into our brand new, very modern, new Whitney looking Postgres database. Along the way here, we can see that using little signs can actually elucidate all the details of what's happening. So this is a Postgres database. Its name is Stark Zebra. It's an AWS. We can open the door, walk inside eventually. And each one of these is actually, the database is connected to a replica database for read-only storage, so we do reports and things like that. Here, let's try to do a full flow from the new side of the APIs. So this is a new UI where our members sign in and sign up. Okay, we're going to utilize a minecart. Place that there. Minecart runs away. It's not the intended purpose. Let's destroy it and try it again. Okay, here we're going to have to use a charged rail and turn it off. So obvious, how could I forget this? So we're going to grab a powered rail, place it right over here. Now the cart's going to stop, wait for me. And okay, and we're ready to go. So now we are a newly created member account. Up ahead, we're going to see something red. That is a new membership gem that wraps around our APIs. It's in Ruby. Here we are. We're going to cross over underneath here, enter the Postgres database, and then from there, since we're new, member, we're going to go over to the legacy side so that we are actually stored in that database as well for a continuous synchronized environment. So here we go, and off I go. Okay, so that's an example of one of the full flows as we ride through. I'm going to show you a different one. So this is an iOS application. It's still connected to our old API, but eventually we're going to also end up in the new database. So let me just clean up everything over here. Okay. All right. Now powered rail is connected over here as well. Okay. So then we're going to hop on a minecart and off we go. Now this is a new member created in an iOS application that's actually connected to our old set of APIs. Here we go. So eventually it's going to hit an Ruby-based API proxy layer. Then through it, we're going to connect to our legacy API. So this is a legacy API call right here. We go into a database, we make a full turnaround, and we're off to the SQS, SNS first, and then SQS layers. It's going to get speed up as we pass through. Yep. So here we are, going really quickly toward the SQS daemon. It's going to process this message, and then we're going to encounter some unknowns here, and they're going to be processed. And here we are in the new Postgres database and in the replica set. That's it. Here's the view from up here. Eventually, the side that's on the Destiny is going to be dramatically expanded. Currently, we only have our new web UIs, but as applications such as this is only one example. We have close to half a dozen different mobile applications, but also web-based clients. Thanks and cheers.